Hey NewTubers, welcome to another episode of NewTube crowdfunding project reviews. I'm not sure what this one is. I just barely got this in the mail today. Let's see what it is. Got this open. Okay. There's another package inside. Cut this one open. Let's see what we have here. Okay, these are the Crazybaby Air by Crazybabies. Adjust the camera a little bit so you can see the whole screen. And these are the wireless headphones that they have by Crazybaby. Crazybaby also makes a speaker, the floating speaker, which I've gotten also in the past through crowdfunding. This was originally Crazybaby Air, Crazy Air by Crazybaby were crowdfunded, and now they came out with a 1S. Let's see, the package is pretty small. Nicely neat package. It says it can get up to 12 hours with the capsule right here. It's supposed to be secure, comfort fit, Bluetooth 5.0 ready. It's sweat proof. I'm not sure if it's water resistance. And it also has microphone, embedded microphone. And this looks like a USB-C charging. Yes, finally. Something with the USB-C charging. Most of the headphones I have are micro USB. So here you have it. As you can see, I think my turnstile is kind of broken right now. Okay, let's open this. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, nice packaging. Kind of looks like an Apple packaging. Air by Crazybaby right here, and this looks like a large capsule. I'm not sure you can see it. It definitely has an Apple-ish design. Okay, here we have it. This is the USB-C port right here. And this looks like an on and open. No, this is to open it. There's a right here, you can barely see it, but there is a, looks to be like a power to charge, and this is to open. Charge and to open. Oh, actually, nope, my mistake. You can open it anywhere. Not sure what the line is for, but you can. Looks like the click is to lock it. This is to open it. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside for now. See what else is in the package. We have inside, we have also different earpieces. It says small, medium, large. Not sure what these are. Let's find out. Oh, covers. These are the different covers for it. Okay. Different covers for your headset. And lastly, you have the small very small USB-C cable for charging. So let's open this up. Put this over here, like this. Unlock this. Okay, doesn't go out all the way. Inside you have the left ear and the right ear. This looks like the design look like it's the same as any other Bluetooth wireless headsets. As you can see here, the left contacts and the right contacts, and then you just put this in here to charge, and there seems to be a magnet to hold it in place. Okay, I'm wondering if you put these little silicone shield covers on, if they will still hold in place. Let's find out. Wish it came in different colors instead of white. It's a little hard to get the shield covers on. Okay, I'm not doing this right at all. 1 second. Okay. See, I got the shield covers on. Oh, yep. Won't be able to charge with the shield covers on. And I just noticed unless it can't make contact. Should have saw that at the beginning. Okay, so we won't be using those unless I don't need to charge. Maybe if I have a full charge, I won't need to use those. But I need to test to see how long a full charge is. So, let's see. This looks like to lock it in place and to charge. Let's see what happens. I have my battery right here. Full charge on my battery. Let's plug it up and see how it charges. See what lights we see. There you go. As you can see while it's charging, there's an orange light right here. As you can see. So when you take it out, the orange light is gone. The headphones aren't charging yet because I still have these plastic covers on here. Let's remove these and see what happens. Okay, there you go. As you can see, when it's charging, they're blinking red. I'm gonna assume that when they're fully charged, they'll be either blue or green. So there you have it. These are the Air by Crazybaby 1S. I can do a follow-up once I break these in and see how they work, and I'll do a follow-up on how well they work. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.